going on, guys? Today we're going to be cooking Ginataang Sitaw at Kalabasa. Alright, so let's get started. First you need to get your ingredients. We need our string beans, onions, garlic, and our squash. Also we have our crabs over here on the stove. We'll throw them in the pot later. You also need coconut milk. For us, we're going to use fresh grated coconut and just some hot water in there. So what you need to do for that is you just grab it and just squeeze the coconut. Let the water cool down first though. So about 2 cups boiling water in there. Let it cool down, and you just need to squeeze it. So after you squeeze that for a bit, just go ahead, you want to strain it out. Alright, so here we have our coconut milk. Next we have our squash. We're going to chop this into 1 inch by 1 inch cubes. Just go ahead, chop the ends off and cut them into 2.5 inch pieces. Okay, grab your onion, slice that. Go ahead, grab your garlic, pound those. Okay, so we got a large pot, put it on high heat. Add some oil to the pot. We're going to saute our garlic and onion. Next thing, you're going to pour in your coconut milk. Okay, we're going to bring this to a boil real quick. Okay, this is boiling now. We're going to go ahead and add some black pepper to that. Turn the heat down to medium. Just let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Okay, so that's been simmering about 10 minutes. Reduced by half, we're gonna go ahead, add our crabs in the pot. Go ahead, add your lid, and let those simmer for 10 minutes also. Alright, these have been cooking 10 minutes. We're gonna go ahead, remove the lid, put in our kalabasa. Stir those around. Go ahead, add the lid back on. Let those cook up. Okay, our kalabasa is getting soft. We're gonna go ahead and add our green beans, string beans. Stir those a little bit. Alright. Cook those 3 to 5 minutes. Then we're good to go. Alright, so take a look. These are done. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it over to the counter. Whoa, delicious. Alright guys, so like I said, that's done. We're going to bring it over to the counter. And there you have it. Ginataang Sitaw at Kalabasa. Let's eat!
Kain na!
Kain na po!